What's up, YouTube? It's Gianni here, and this is Subway Surfers Tokyo, Japan, 2018. Here we back in Tokyo, Japan. As you guys can see, the little kitty board, and let's check out what we got new going on. Alright, Harumi here says, welcome to Tokyo, Japan. Harumi says, welcome to Japan. The world tour visits Tokyo. Explore the beautiful city of Japan. Spice up the cool. Go for a weekly hunt. Prizes. Fun. Colorful. Dolls. Hand. Trucks. Alright, so let's check out the new tab. Alright, so I already known Harumi. The weekly hunt for Tokyo is three head starts, so we'll work on that. Alright, oh my god, Tokyo has a lot of color. Yeah, the little kitty, Harumi. I'm thinking let's use Dino for this special occasion. What the heck was that? What the heck is that? Of course, we own the little kitty. Little sweetheart board that, I'm going crazy, so I would just use the sweetheart board. It's alright. So, great combination. Weekly hunt. Oh, weekly top scorer. I'm doing okay. You guys don't know. Now let's get the track going. Oh my god. The Tokyo Tower, the Japanese monster and little kitty. Lego. What the heck? The cop is apparently different. What the heck? Wow, Tokyo has a lot of flashing lights. Flashing lights. Flashing lights. We got the tuk of Tokyo. We're missing the Okyo. Exploring the new city. We had to say goodbye to Paris and say goodbye to February. I know today's March 1st. So goals, guys. Completing weekly hunts, unlocking more characters, doing more mission sets so I can get to maximum multiplier. I'm excited for that. And if you guys want to see some more gameplay, go subscribe to my channel if you want to go see more gameplay from me. Okay? So I'll have that. This video will be in the links down below in the description. The video I made 2 days ago, that was a previous video. So go check that video out on my channel. Also, guys, I forgot to do a 16 subscriber update because I just reached 16 subscribers. So I would do one tomorrow, I would say. Tomorrow, yeah, I would do one. The day after this video uploads. Today. Where the heck are these Japanese dolls? Oh, so we got to complete mission set number 7 to get to 8. Alright, let's do some mission mask. Complete. Pick up 2 jetpacks. 2 left. Pick up 50 coins with a jetpack and use 1 head start. I'm thinking maybe. So, yeah. What's been going on with you guys? What you guys want to know what's been going on with me? I don't know. I can't tell you. Oh my god. The tunnel looks Illuminati to me. Like, seriously? I've been telling you guys that you guys wanted to tell me and ask me in the comments, how do I say hello in Japanese? I'm still working on my Japanese, so Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. We're in Tokyo, Japan. Well, I don't understand. Like I did do a Paris video. Like I did Paris. I've been doing Subway Surfer Paris videos on. Oh, we could put in a Tokyo Daily Challenge. Now that's good. Alright guys, now if you guys want to see more gameplay, go subscribe to my channel. I'll let you guys get some gameplay footage that I have. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Alright, let's do this. Here's the first one. Looking for a jetpack. Out on the course. On Subway Surfers, Tokyo, Japan, baby. Oh yeah. God, I love the bridge, the Tokyo, Japan, the colorful rainbow bridge. Oh my God, look at this tunnel, little tunnel. Oh, now this tunnel looks okay with little kitties, little ancient stuff. Kind of looks like from 2015. Kind of. I don't know why I'm talking. Oh, here's the first jetpack. Here's the third one. Duh! Jesus Christ, bro! Alright. Alright, we'll use somebody else. Or some more hoverboards. Hoverboards. Okay, so let's use. I want to really use Sun because he matches. I'm really sorry, guys. I haven't uploaded a video since the day after I went back to school. I'm really sorry I didn't upload yesterday's video. I didn't want to because I know you guys want to see me do this new video on my channel. So I'm setting myself a new playlist. There we go. Hallelujah. Oh, so on Saturday, I will be uploading another video. That Saturday will be part 2 of Tokyo, Japan. You guys want to see this? Part 2 next video. Oh, yeah, we got it. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I want to see Kilo Games and Cyber Games play. I want to see Kilo Games Tokyo, Japan live. And this update, I want a mod Kurumi, the little key. Well, I previously unlocked some a few days ago. Also a YouTube experiment. I'm still trying to think about what ways I could record in the house. And okay. So this is gonna be done in 5 minutes. Okay, so the video in where the heck is this one? Oh, I see it. Alright, that's gonna all end for today's video. Hey guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.